Good day, family and friends, and welcome to Smokepot and Balance Kitchen. You're here with your one and only Smokepot, and today again we're going to be diving into some very delicious meal. So for everybody, Happy New Year to everybody. Try to be safe. Try to just hold your head up. We're still going through this pandemic, but you know we are here and we just give thanks and continue to go through. So today I'm going to be doing something that you don't really hear about a lot. It's actually called shrimp rundown. Now, rundown is something in the islands that we do, but it's usually mackerel rundown, and sometimes on some occasion you have saltfish rundown. But you don't normally hear about like shrimp rundown. But I'm going to be putting my own twist to it, and I'm going to be doing such. The rundown thing, the main ingredients making a rundown is actually coconut cream. Alright, so you're gonna follow the process as usual as we go through. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be seasoning my shrimp. Here I have some jumbo shrimp. Yeah, it's 2 pounds, and I'm just gonna be seasoning that right now. So I'm gonna put a little bit of fish seasoning. Right, I'm gonna put half teaspoon of fish seasoning into it. I'm also going to be putting a little chicken season. I enjoy the chicken season a lot. The flavor is really good. So I'm going to put a half teaspoon of the chicken season. Alright, and I'm going to be putting a little bit of all-purpose. The next half teaspoon. Alright, we're going to go from there. I'm going to be adding a little bit of black pepper. The next about 1/4 teaspoon, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of pimento seeds, or allspice as they call it, old spice. So it's about 1/4 teaspoon, and then we're gonna get in properly and mix this in together like so. All right. As you know, shrimp absorb the seasoning real quickly. You don't need to over season your shrimp. Alright. In the meantime, we're gonna go straight into our cream. So this is my coconut cream I have right here. This time I use the pack coconut powder, and this is 2 packs that I have here. You add your little water and you will get them to dissolve. So now I'm just gonna be putting that in this in the stove. I'm gonna be putting that in the Alright, so I'm gonna pour this into my pot. Alright, and I'm gonna allow that to boil, and as soon as it boils, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be adding some ground seasoning. So I'm coming right back into my shrimp right now. I'm not wasting any time today. I'm going right back to my shrimp that I have right here. Right, I turn on the stove, and I'm gonna be adding some olive oil, where I'm gonna saute my shrimp really lightly. The shrimp is a 3-minute cook time, and I'm gonna give this only 2 minutes. I'm gonna saute them for 2 minutes only. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Right. And that's about a tablespoon. That's all I need. I'm just gonna give this a little, because I'm ensuring that my oil is extremely hot. So in the meantime, you can just caress this around nicely. So while my coconut cream is boiling, I'm gonna be adding the seasoning right here to my coconut cream. All right. All right, I'm gonna make this come to a nice boil. That's the coconut cream. I'm gonna be having it boiling for approximately 10 minutes. Now, I said this before, and for who never hear before, the coconut cream needs to be cooked for a little while before you actually put your meat to eat, because it can cause stomach problem. You can have a belly ache from eating anything with the coconut cream if it's not properly cooked. So I'm going to be cooking that for 10 minutes and then we'll come back to that. But for now, I'm going to saute the shrimp. The oil should be hot right now. So I'm just going to put these in. Alright, so as I'm saying this, just 2 minutes. 2 minutes for this. Alright, so we'll be back as soon as our coconut cream is cooked for 10 minutes and then you'll see the other process, alright? Okay guys, now at this time, I'm going to be finishing up my coconut cream. It's been boiling for 10 minutes now. So as usual, you know, I like some colors in it. So I'm going to be adding a little onion, some green peppers. Right, I have several type of bell peppers right here. Those are some brown ones. Those are the first I'm seeing these ones. I've never seen those ones before. I have some orange one and some red. All right, and the next thing we're going to do is, and this is just something that came up recently that gives an extremely beautiful flavor. We're going to be using some katsu, but I'm not trying to get the noodle in it, so I'm just going to put that in it. Alright, and we get rid of those. We don't want the noodle, we're just working with all the powder parts. Alright, and then now we're going to give that one more stir, and then we're going to be adding that to the shrimp, and then basically we're going to be finished. Today we're going to be plating with a little bit of white rice. So it's basically shrimp rundung over white rice, and that we include this in the shrimp, and then after that we're going to be going to the cooking, the eating stage. So let me add this. Alright, so just add this to that you already have right here. We're gonna give this between 30 seconds to a minute, and then we're gonna be finished with this, and then it's gonna be time for plating and tasting. Alright, so see you in a sec. Guys, now at this time we just finish up our shrimp rundown. This is what it looks like. Very creamy. It's smelling so delicious. It's smelling so good. The aroma is like crazy. And you can see the little colors I added at the last minute to give it that beauty. As usual, you know that I always try to find something nice and sexy to go with it. So here I have some spring mix, some tomatoes, and some white rice. So basically it's shrimp rundown over white rice with some salad. So now I'm just going to be finishing up so that I can do my taste. That looks so beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, I can't wait to start tasting. Alright, have a little more of this coconut sauce on top. Alright, so that's my shrimp rundown over rice, done with some spring lettuce and some tomatoes. So hope you enjoy with me as I taste right now. firstly I'm going to taste a little of the rice with the gravy. It's plain white rice, but it tastes like coconut rice because the coconut is so concentrated. It's like it's very intense, but yet still very nice. It complements the white rice so much. Let me taste the shrimp. Okay, that's perfect. Not overly done. 3 minutes thereabouts, you get that. Guys, the small season I added to the shrimp from early, it stand out. You can taste the butter and the garlic. A little hint of pepper, nothing too much, you know, I'm into the spices, but this time around, this doesn't require a lot of spice, so it's just minimal. It's beautiful, guys. Please try and follow this recipe if you're a shrimp person, and do this shrimp rundown and let me know what it's like. So guys, once again, Smokepot and Balance Kitchen, we're here doing our thing. We thank you for the support, and we're asking you to share with your friends, subscribe, like, and leave the notification button on so every time we put a video up, you guys will see it. Respect, bless, and keep watching.